Look at this music video. Professional studio? Nope. Shot on location with a crew? Not even close. This was made entirely with AI in under 3 days, and I'm about to show you the exact process step by step. But here's the thing. 95% of AI music videos look terrible because creators skip one critical step that I'll reveal later in this video. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for that because it's the difference between amateur and professional results.
Hello. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I'll take this one.
It's 5,000 viewers.
Perfect.
Thanks for your purchase.
Eden! Get in! We're heading to Hongdae!
Not tonight. Not anymore.
Blessed is the one who walks in light, not led by shadows, not shaped by night. They do not follow the counsel of fear, nor stand where the faithless linger near. They choose a path where truth remains the higher road, untouched by chains. Their joy, their song, their deep delight is in your love both day and night. They are trees by the flowing stream, roots held deep in eternity.
Right now, I'm giving away 10 viral AI music video prompts that took me weeks to perfect. These will save you hours of trial and error and hundreds of dollars in wasted credits. Comment prompt below and I'll send you the direct link. Here's what's wild. Traditional music videos can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 plus, depending on production quality. With AI, you're looking at maybe $50 to $200 in tool subscriptions to get professional results, but only if you know what you're doing. Most people waste their credit on the wrong approach and give up. I'm going to walk you through the exact 6-step system that separates viral AI music videos from the ones that flop. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generating the soundtrack with Suno AI. First things first, we need our foundation, the music itself. Head over to Suno AI. It's arguably the best AI music generator available right now, and here's how to use it properly. Now, you could let Suno auto-generate lyrics, but there's a smarter way that gives you way more control, and I'll show you in a second. Instead of using Suno's built-in lyric generator, go to ChatGPT first. Ask it to write lyrics for a specific vibe. For example, write lyrics for an explosive K-pop gospel fusion track with empowering themes, or create modern upbeat electro-pop lyrics about self-discovery. Copy those lyrics into Suno's custom mode. Here's where most people mess up. They are too vague with the style description. Don't just say pop song. Be specific. Use keywords like female vocals, explosive K-pop energy, layered harmonies, upbeat tempo to give the AI precise guidance. You get about 10 free generations per day on Suno's free tier, which is plenty to experiment and find your favorite version. Just note that free generations don't come with a commercial license, so if you're planning to monetize, you'll need to upgrade. Listen to all the generated options, pick the one that matches your vision best, and download the soundtrack. Alright, you've got your track. Now comes the part where 90% of creators completely fall apart. Character consistency. Skip this next step and your singer will look like a different person in every single scene. Let me show you how to fix that. Step 2. Designing a consistent character. The secret to a cinematic AI music video, a character that looks identical in every single shot. The biggest amateur mistake I see is people regenerating their main character from scratch for every scene. The result, it looks disjointed, unprofessional, and ruins the immersion. Here's the fix. We're going to create a master reference image first, then use image to video generation for every scene. this is non-negotiable if you want professional results. You can use Midjourney or Higgsfield to create your main character. I prefer Higgsfield because they have multiple image generation models, and if you subscribe to their Ultra plan, you get unlimited generations, which in my opinion is the best value in the market right now. Inside Higgsfield, generate your main character using either the Dream model or Nano Banana Pro. There are plenty of options here, but for character consistency, Dream is my go-to. Here's the golden rule for prompting. Describe features in extreme detail. Don't just say young woman exiting shopping mall. Say something like wide shot, golden hour, Asian woman wearing a cream oversized blazer exiting luxury shopping mall, modern glass architecture, lens flare, cinematic depth of field, shot on Arri Alexa, warm color grading. Generate a 4K resolution if you are using Dream, or 4K Brill if you are using Nano Banana Pro. This upscaled version becomes the quality baseline for all your future scenes. Skimp here and every subsequent video clip will look lower quality. Next, you need to generate 2 versions of your base character. 1. Close-up shot, focus on facial features. 2. Full body shot, same facial features, full outfit visible. This gives you flexibility when creating different scenes while maintaining perfect consistency. Now, here's a simple trick. Combine both images, close-up and full body, into one reference image using Canva or any image editor. This consolidated reference will be your master file that you will use for all future generation. Once you have this base image ready, you're set to generate all the visuals needed for your music video. Alright, foundation is locked. Now let's create the actual scenes. Step 3. Image generation for your scenes. This is where your video starts coming to life. Once you have your perfect character reference image, upload it into Higgsfield's prompt bar as a style reference. This keeps the colors, textures, facial features, and overall aesthetic consistent across every new image you generate. Let's say I want my singer standing in a futuristic neon-lit hallway. Here's how I'd prompt it. Create highly detailed digital art of the woman reference image attached, standing in a futuristic neon-lit hallway with teal glowing outlines on the walls and floor, wearing a black form-fitting bodysuit, black pants, and boots, posing powerfully facing the camera. Cyberpunk sci-fi style, high-tech atmosphere, cinematic lighting. Then I select Dream 4.5 as my model, bump the output quality to 4K, and make sure it's generating a 16:9 horizontal image for that cinematic widescreen format. Since I'm on Higgsfield Ultra plan, I can toggle unlimited generation on, and honestly, this feature alone makes it worth it. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check it out. And look at the result. It's the exact same woman from my original reference photo, just in a completely different environment and outfit. Perfect consistency. This is what we're aiming for. Using this same method, I went ahead and created a variety of visuals. Close-up singing shots, wide shots with backup dancers beside or behind her, different lighting setups, multiple outfit changes. Here's something that surprised me. Adding backup dancers in some frames makes the final video feel way more dynamic and human. When you animate these later, the movement and interaction create energy that a solo performer just can't match. So now I've got all my AI visuals ready, and the character consistency is solid across the board. But static images don't make a music video, so let's bring these to life, and wait until you see how smooth these animations can get. Step 4. Video generation and animation. Alright, images are done. Time to animate them into actual video clips. Once all your visuals are ready, upload them to your video generation tool. I'm sticking with Higgsfield here because they offer multiple video models in one place. For most of my clips, I used either Kling 2.5 Turbo for fast motion and dance sequences or Kling 2.6 Audio model for dialogue scenes. Yes, you can add spoken dialogue to music videos. More on that in a second. We're using image to video generation. Upload one of your generated images into the frames feature. Here's a mistake that costs people hours of regenerations. Weak, vague prompts. Don't just say woman talking to cashier. That's lazy and gives you generic results. Instead, use a detailed cinematic prompt like this. The woman and the cashier having a dialogue with a Chinese accent. Cashier, hello, are you ready to check out? Customer, yes, I'll take this one. Cashier, it's 5,000. Customer, perfect. Cashier, thanks for your purchase. Smooth, natural conversation, realistic lip movement, warm lighting. For best results, use Kling 2.6 audio or VO3 and set it to the highest quality mode. And look at this. The lip movement, the body language, the lighting, it all flows naturally. This is what separates good AI videos from great ones.
Hello. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I'll take this one.
It's 5,000 viewers.
Perfect.
Thanks for your purchase.
Advanced technique. Start and end frame animation. Okay, now I'm going to show you one of the most powerful features in Kling. And this is what pros use to get that, wait, how did they do that effect? It's called start and end frames. By uploading a starting image and a different ending image, you can force the AI to animate a specific transformation or camera movement between them. Use this to create camera orbits around your subject, character transformations, smooth scene transitions. For example, I used this to create a tracking shot. Tracking shot following Asian woman from the exit door to the road. Close-up cinematic detailed shot transitioning to wide environmental shot. Smooth camera movement, natural motion. The result? A seamless professional camera move that would normally require a gimbal, a crew, and multiple takes. For animations for dance scenes, I upload one of my dance images and describe the movement style I want. Here's a prompt I used. Freestyle waves, crumping, ground spins, dolly zoom camera combined with circling shots, high contrast monochrome with silver highlights, buttery smooth slow motion, high-end music video aesthetic. Don't overdo the prompt. Something short and specific like this works perfectly. In the settings, set quality to 1080p. Make these clips 5 seconds long for fast-paced energy. Hit generate and look at that. The movement is fluid, the camera work is dynamic, and the energy is exactly what I wanted. This is the kind of shot that makes people stop scrolling. Using this same method, I went ahead and created a variety of videos for the other scenes. Alright, animations are looking fire, but we're missing one crucial element that makes or breaks the realism of an AI music video: lip sync. Let me show you the best tool I've found for this. Step 5. Adding lip sync. Here's the thing about lip sync. If it's off, your whole video feels cheap. If it's perfect, people won't even question whether it's real. Using a close-up image of your character is a game changer. It drastically improves the expressiveness and naturality of the lip sync. Don't try to lip sync wide shots. Zoom in for this. For lip syncing, I use Dreamina. I'll drop a link in the description. Head over to dreamina.capcut.com and create an account. Quick note, some of Dreamina's features is geo-restricted in some locations, so you might need a VPN to access it. Inside Dreamina, select the AI avatar tool, upload your close-up singer image, upload your audio track. Dreamina handles up to 15 seconds of lip sync at a time, so you need to trim your song into small sections before uploading. Bit of a hassle, but worth it for the quality. Click send, wait a few seconds to a couple of minutes, and This is hands down the most realistic lip sync tool I've used for AI music videos. And it's free.
Their joy, their song, their deep delight is in your love both day and night. They are trees by the flowing stream.
You only get 2 generations per day on the free plan. So if you hit your limit, just create another account with a different email. Not ideal, but it keeps your workflow moving while staying free. Alright, we've got our music, our animated scenes, and perfect lip sync. Now it's time to put it all together and polish this into a finished music video. Step 6. Final editing and polish. Time to bring everything together. Import all your clips into a free editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. I'm using CapCut for this. Step 1. Place your full music track on the timeline first. This is your foundation. Every cut, every transition, every effect should match the beat. Step 2. Drop in your visuals and align every cut to the rhythm of your soundtrack. Music videos live and die by timing. If your cuts feel offbeat, the whole thing feels amateur. Step 3. Use the Transitions tab to add energy between clips. Don't go crazy, but strategic transitions on beat hits make a huge difference. Step 4. Add effects to give your video a cinematic feel and tie the scenes together. Color grading, light leaks, lens flares. Use them sparingly but intentionally. If you want that ultra-sharp Hollywood look, run your final clips through an upscaler like Topaz Video AI to enhance faces and sharpen details. This isn't necessary, but it's the cherry on top for premium quality. Let's watch the final result.
Hello. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, I'll take this one.
It's 5,000 viewers.
Perfect.
Thanks for your purchase.
Eden! Get in! We're heading to Hongdae!
Not tonight. Not anymore.
Blessed is the one who walks in light, not led by shadows, not shaped by night. They do not follow the counsel of fear, nor stand where the faithless linger near. They choose a path where truth remains, a higher road, untouched by chains. Their joy, their song, their deep delight is in your love both day and night. They are trees by the flowing stream, roots held deep in eternity.
And that's it. You've just replaced weeks of traditional production, location scouting, casting, shooting, reshoots with a process you can complete in 2 to 3 days once you know the workflow. These tools aren't limitations anymore. They're your creative starting point. Remember that one critical mistake I mentioned at the beginning? Here it is. Not using a consistent character reference. That's the number one thing that separates viral AI music videos from the ones that get ignored. Lock that in and you're already ahead of 95% of creators. If you want to take this even further, make sure you grab those 10 viral AI music video prompts I put together. Comment prompt below or grab the direct link in the description. And hey, if this was helpful, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping more in-depth AI music video guides just like this one, and I'd love to see you there. I live for your light bulb moment, so drop a comment and tell me what was your biggest takeaway. What are you going to try first? Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Now go make something incredible.